If you want to see how I got this cute and colorful rod set, then keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair using my Gemini Naturals Temporary Color Gel in the color Jordan. So I have applied my leave-in conditioner in the shower after washing my hair. So again, for styling, I am only using the Gemini Naturals Temporary Color Gel. Stay tuned. So I decided to go for a middle part for this perm rod set, and I'll be working in medium-sized sections. So I'm parting my hair for styling, and again, I'm working in medium-sized sections. So I am going to part my hair, make sure that it is detangled, apply some of the temporary color gel, and then using my perm rod to roll this section. The key to a great perm rod set is making sure that your hair is detangled and making sure that your ends are secure. So I'm rolling my hair starting at the roots and then rolling it around. Once I get to the end, I'm wrapping the hair around itself to make sure that it is secure. So I'll be repeating these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. Now that my hair is all rolled, I'll be sitting under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes and then letting the rest air dry overnight. So here we are the next day. My hair is dry and we are ready for the takedown. And as you can see, the definition is on point. Not surprised at all. Love my Gemini Naturals. So now that the rollers are all out, I'm just gonna go in and stretch my curls. Normally I would use oil for this part, but because I have the temporary color gel, adding oil on top of it just makes the color run even more. So now that my curls are stretched, I'm just going to go in to separate about 3 to 4 times depending on the size. So here are my final results. Loving the curls, loving the color. Again, this is the color Jordan from Gemini Naturals. This is a limited edition color, so if you have not gotten your hands on it, make sure you do so before it sells out. I will also leave my discount code in the description box, so make sure you check that out as well. Thanks so much for watching. I hope I've given you some color inspiration. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.